Welcome to the InnoRate platform tutorial for technology transfer offices. You will be able to create your innovative projects, such as important research outcomes or patent ideas. Through the InnoRate platform, you could better evaluate your projects and make better informed decisions, thanks to the InnoRate technology rating system. Let's guide you through the registration phase. There are 4 simple steps in order to create your user. In the first one, you have to fill in your basic information. In the last field, we ask you if you are an investor or not. In your case, let's put no. In the second step, you have to select the user type, Technology Transfer Organization. In step 3, we ask some general info regarding your sectors of major interest and the number of members of the organization. The fourth and last step is about some basic information of the organization. If you do not find it already, you can create it right away. Let's complete the registration now. You can immediately start browsing the InnoRate platform. Fill in the registration email and the password you selected before. This is the home page. You can see other companies that have already registered in the platform. On the left, you can use different filters to customize your research, changing the results on the right. For example, let's look for companies in the biotechnology industry. You can add several filters from the menu on the left. Let's try selecting a specific country. By clicking on a specific company, you can see its profile with some general infos. If a company has performed the pre-screening, you can see the final score as well. You can also see what the company scored in the 4 macro areas: management, technology competency, marketability, and business feasibility. You can also see how the company stands out with respect to its industry sector. It is also possible to directly compare 2 companies through the related option in the menu on the left. Simply select the companies and you'll see a direct comparison. As a technology transfer office, you can create several projects that belong to your university. Once selected from the menu, you'll simply have to fill in the project information and press Create Project. After that, you can see all of your projects under the List Projects section. From here, it is possible to manage every single project. You can see its general information, and from the Actions button, you can modify the project's details. You can also perform a pre-screening or request a deep assessment. If you select Proceed with pre-screening, you will be asked to fill in a series of information that will be used by the platform to calculate the score of your project based on the InnoRate technology rating system. You can save your progress in any moment. Once you completed all the steps, you can calculate the pre-screening score. You can also request a deep assessment of the project, where an expert will perform a detailed evaluation, also through a direct interview with the project team. Once you fill in the request, you will be contacted in order to schedule the deep assessment. Finally, on the dashboard, you can see the information regarding your organization, as well as edit the company details. The tour for now is over. Now, enjoy the platform.